Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones LG Tone 3 Fit on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to search. Click on search line and write LG 3 Tone. Now search and you should install this application. Allow, confirm, agree and proceed, permission settings, allow, allow again, while using app, deny, deny, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!